Welcome to the Level All podcast. Level All is an online platform for students, families, and counselors to access the information they need about college, career, life skills, and financial literacy. My name is Harper, former admissions officer at Vanderbilt University and Sewanee, and current director of college content at Level All. Rolling admission. We're going to answer all of the big questions today. What is it? What are the benefits? Is there a best time to apply? And is it right for you? Let's get rolling. Number 1, what is it? Rolling admission is one of the 6 ways to apply to college. You may have heard of early decision or regular decision. Rolling admission is different from all of these because it has no single application deadline. In other words, you can apply at any point during the application open window. That window is typically open from the early fall through the late spring, but in some cases it can extend beyond that. The headline here is that it's a big window. Not all colleges offer rolling admission, so do your research on which colleges do. Be sure to check out your public colleges. These often have rolling deadlines. Number 2, what are the benefits? You'll hear back fast because colleges review these applications as they come in. You'll typically get your decision within 3 to 5 weeks from the date that you submit. It is not binding. In other words, you don't have to attend the college if you're admitted. It's flexible. There's a longer application window, meaning that you can potentially apply in the fall or the spring of your senior year. Number 3, is there a best time to apply? As I just said, one of the benefits of rolling admission is that there's a lot of flexibility because of the longer application window. But some colleges might have a priority deadline where you'll have a better shot at merit-based scholarships or financial aid or admission to specific academic programs. Also, when you apply later in the window, the admission criteria can become more selective. In other words, it can be harder to get in because there might be fewer remaining spots available in the class. That being said, don't rush your application. Number 4, is it right for you? Rolling admission is right for lots of students. We think it's a great idea to apply to a rolling admission school in the fall of your senior year. It gives you the opportunity to get accepted by a college really early in the process, which is a great stress reducer. It's also a good option if you're in the late winter or spring of your senior year and you're not thrilled with your admissions outcomes, or you've just now decided to apply to colleges. Rolling admission windows often remain open well into the spring. So to recap, rolling admissions means you can apply at any point during an application open window and hear back quickly. It can help reduce stress because you have a chance of getting accepted early in the college process, and it's not binding. And don't wait until the last minute to apply. There might be a priority deadline, and colleges can become more selective later in the open rolling window. And be sure to use our College Finder to learn which colleges on your list offer rolling admission.